Hi, hello. How are you guys? After so long, I'm meeting my fans and my friends. So I just wanted to know how you guys are. Yes, traditional look. Happy Sunday, Sayed. Hi, Subbarao Garu. Nagendra. Love you too, Pavan Garu. Let's go. Where I have to. Hi, Surendra Reddy. So actually, particularly, I really don't want to meet. Really, I don't want to tell anything. I don't have specific reason to, come behind the screen. Just I wanted to say all of my fans and friends, and I just wanted to talk normal. That's it. Hi, Reddy. How are you? Naresh Kumar Garu. Hi. I'm good. So much gap in your, yeah. You look very beautiful and traditional. Sojit, thank you Sojit. Love you too, Balakrishna Garu. And SSV, Vansi, hi. This Sunday special. Actually, I don't eat non-veg on Sunday. Anytime, any saree, super selection. Thank you. Hi, so beautiful. Thank you. ఈరోజు మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు సురేందర్ రెడ్డి థ్యాంక్ యూ. So I'm getting Surendra Reddy and repeatedly few guys messages only. I think you guys are watching. Just give me some messages, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Hi Lala. You are Damal Dumal awesome. Thank you. Yeah, we can speak about my Amuk Dumuk Amal Dumal. That is my actually my Tamil name, Tamil channel's name. So you please subscribe. Hi, big hi from Kerala, Jitin. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Venkatesh Reddy, thank you. Big Shri Reddy. So sweet. So sweet, so sweet kaadu. East or West, Shri Reddy is best anta. Neeli Madhu Mohan. What is the secret of your something I didn't get. I don't have any secret. I'm feeling so bored. There is no lockdown in Chennai. We are very much happy and we are nicely doing shoots. And yeah, recently I kept a photo. So people are asking, really, are you married? No, I'm not married. He is my on-screen husband. I'm not married. Old Wonder 7, Deepak Kumar. What is the secret of your beauty? Makeup, lipstick, and Huda Beauty foundation, and kajal, eyebrow pencil, everything it's covered. It's not natural. want to tell you are beautiful. Something is crossing. I really can't even, catch this speed. Kerala boy, Vishnu. Hi. I know, a lot of people are loving me so much from Kerala, and really, Rumba Rumba Nandri. Thank you so much. You guys are really awesome. From Karnataka also, even I have lot of following from Karnataka, and each and everybody who is following me and who is keeping regularly messages and all, for all of them, for my Bangalore guys and also Kerala guys, namaskaram, because Kerala guys are very traditional and Bangalore guys are little fast, that's why kisses. Keep camera in front of your face so we can see closer. So close. Hi ma'am, you are so beautiful and sexy girl. Yeah, I'm so sexy, Sometimes actually, not all the time. I can't maintain that. Chicken or mutton, no. இன்னைக்கு நான் சூரிய நாராயண மூர்த்தி பூஜா பண்ணுவேன், அதுக்காக நான் நான்வெஜ் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். I will marry you, Shri Reddy. Will you accept my marriage proposal? Actually no, because I'm not at all having good idea about marriage proposals and all. I respect marriage thingy, but in my life I don't think so I will accept. Do you Tamil speak some Tamil words, ma'am? நான் இப்படிதானா பேசியாச்சு, அதுக்கு மேல என்ன பேசணும்? நீங்க கேளுங்க, எதனா டவுட் இருக்குன்னா கேளுங்க, நான் பேசுவேன். வேற என்ன வேணும்? Your handwriting is beautiful. Yay. She's so smart. Yes, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I'm so sweet. I'm so sexy. I'm everything. Madam, your eyes are super. Yeah, எப்பவுமே eyes are super. Ring is super. Earrings are super. Saree is super. இதுதானா? வேற எதனா பேசணும் இல்ல? கொஞ்சம் எதனா கேளுங்க, எதனா கொஞ்சம் டைம் பாஸ் ஆகணும் இல்ல? எப்பவுமே அது சூப்பர் இது சூப்பர் ஒன்னு பார்த்தா அதுதானே, வேற எதுவுமே இல்லையா? பியூட்டி ஓவர்லோடட் somebody. You are wonderful. அவ்வளவுதான், nothing else. என்னோட ஃபேவரட் ஆக்டர் யாரு? என்னோட ஃபேவரட் ஆக்டர் வந்து அஜித் சார்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அண்ட் தெலுங்கு வந்து ஜூனியர் என்டிஆர் గారు இஸ் ஜெய் ஜூனியர் என்டிஆர் அண்ட் ప్రభాస్ గారు. Yes, I love ప్రభాస్ గారు. And yeah, nobody else. The two persons are really awesome. And Kannada வந்து சிவராஜ்குமார் గారు and Puneeth Rajkumar గారు. And at the same time యష్ అనే ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். సండే ఫ్రీ ఉన్నావా ఏంటి? అవును శ్రీకాంత్ గారు. I really wonder how strong girl you are with all odds in your life. You stay calm. அப்புறம் few words about yourself. I'm so confident and I'm very peaceful and I love to be peaceful and I'm a very good girl and I don't trouble anybody. If someone troubles me, Balakrishna garu dialogue irukku, trouble and சொல்லி. So any recent movie you watched? Many actually, but they are very romantic films. I can't say the name. I don't even know the names, so I'm so sorry. Any upcoming Tamil movies? Yes, of course. Yes. You are sorry. You are not an Indian actor. Look like Angelina Jolie. అంతే. మా వాళ్ళందరూ చచ్చిపోతారు ఈ కామెంట్కి. దే విల్ డై. కన్నడ వస్తుందా మీకు? కన్నడ కన్నడ అంటే మరి అప్పుడప్పుడు మరి కొంచెం కొంచెం మరి ఆ ముక్క ఈ ముక్క ఏదో నేర్చుకోవడం కానీ మొత్తంగా రాదు కదా మరి. మరి ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి మరి? நைஸ் ஸ்மைல், தேங்க்யூ. உங்களுக்கு மேரேஜ் ஆடிடுச்சாமன்? No, I'm not married. He is my on-screen husband. He is no, I'm not married. See, I don't have தாலி. எனக்கு மேரேஜ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா கம்பல்சரி நான் தாலி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுவேன். எனக்கு தாலி ரிமூவ் பண்றதுக்கு இஷ்டம் இருக்காது. புரியுதா? உங்களுக்கு பைக் ரைடு பிடிக்குமா? கியூட் மணி. எஸ், எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்குமா. எனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி புல்லட் இருக்கா. எனக்கு